Hello, BTA and CTE Lab students. Now the Cornerstone project, Show Me How video for File 1 has been added to the assignment, and let's work on File 2, a new blank Word document. Create a poster from scratch to advertise the cookbook launch party. Create a new blank document, and then add and modify a text box and a smart art diagram. Some of this you remote students will not be able to do, and I'm just going to ask you to do what you can and turn that in, and I will grade it accordingly. Okay. Still working on a viable workaround for you guys. All right, so we need to open a new blank document in Word. Again, this is in the licensed version. I'm going to pull it over here. See if it'll fully, there we go. So the new blank document is open. Insert a simple text box. So I know that's in insert text, the text box style, simple text box. Okay. So it says insert a simple text box at the beginning of the page, resize it to 2.5 inches high and 6.5 wide. So 2.5 high, format, size. So 2.5 high and 6.5 wide. Okay. Now, enter the following text. For time's sake, I'm going to copy and paste all of this, and I'll probably have to make some edits. Enter the following text. I don't think they want it in bullet points, so when I copied and pasted, it brought in the bullet points. I'm just going to turn that off. Okay. Now let's go back and look. Apply formatting as follows. Format the text box with Intense Effect Blue Accent 1. So format the text box. I need to see what that description is again. Intense Effect Blue Accent 1. That's subtle, moderate, intense blue accent 1. Okay. Center all text in the text box. So I'm going to select all the text and center align it. And format the text with Verdana in a font size of 22. So we're going to Verdana, and that magically fits the box, right? So Verdana 22. Okay. I don't like that the PM right here goes on this line. But we're following directions, so we're going to leave it like that. Okay. Now, insert and modify a smart art diagram below the text box from the previous task. Create a vertical box list. All right. So we're going to go to the end of it. A vertical box list. So this is insert smart art and a vertical box list. So we know that we want to go to the list style and vertical box list. Maybe this is it. Vertical box list. Okay, it looks like that. Let's see if it gives us any specific details. Include the following items in the diagram. Okay. So I want that. Pickles booth. So pickles booth, preserves booth. Preserves booth. Pickling demonstration. Let's copy and paste. And then I want to add another. So because let's see, add a shape. Ha. And I'm going to need to add one more, right? So add a shape is right up here. You're in the design for your smart art, okay? Next is seed plant and harvest demonstration. And then the last one is make your own preserves demonstration. Okay. I'm going to pause the video for a moment and I'll be back when class starts. Okay, so we have included the following items in the diagram. All of the text, type your text here is over here on the left, and then it puts it in the smart art design. So let's see what the next task is. Apply the colored outline accent 1 format to the diagram. Colored outline accent 1. Okay, so colored outline accent 1. Blah, 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 blah. Colored outline accent 1. Okay, let's make sure that's the right one. Colored outline accent 1 format, and then apply the cartoon style to the diagram. All right. Notice on these tasks when it says exam objective, if you know how to do it, that's great, because when it comes on up on the exam, you're going to know how to do that. And that's the importance of knowing how to do each of these tasks. That is why my teacher heart is heavy with you remote students who don't have a licensed version of Office, because when it becomes time to take the certification exam in late April, maybe all of May, there may be some things, some objective tasks that you guys have not been able to have a hands-on experience with, and it makes me sad. All right. Anyway, let's go back to this. Apply the cartoon style to the diagram. So we're going to come back to the diagram and we're going to apply a style. Smart art styles. That's all 3D. Cartoon style. So I'm going to format. All right, I'm lost on as to where to find the cartoon style. These are layouts, but that's the smart art layout. The cartoon style? Smart art styles, 3D. There's nothing below that. Let's see if any of these say cartoon. They don't really look cartoony to me. Cartoon. All right, so here's the cartoon style. I don't know what makes that cartoon-esque, but that's what they say. Kind of makes these back buttons look like they're raised. That's kind of cool. All right, so that is the cartoon style. Now let's go back, and that is the final task for this file. So this is file 2. You've made a poster from scratch, and you've applied all the tasks. So then you'll file, save the document. Again, I always put well, you can leave doc 1. I'm fine with that. And then I put underscore and first initial, last initial, and save the document. And that's what you'll turn in to the Schoology Module 3 Cornerstone assignment. Okay, so I'm going to close out the video. Y'all have a good rest of the day.